Your ride says a lot about who you are, so it makes sense that you'd always want your car performing at its best. At Lofton Motorsports, it's our mission to make sure that your car always represents you, while serving you with integrity. When you bring your car to Lofton Motorsports, we can service anything on any make and model. Steering, transmission, tires, engine, brakes, body and paint, and your everyday general maintenance. We have the skills and most modern equipment to keep your car running smoothly and performing at its peak. Need a classic restored? Want a supercharger installed? How about a custom exhaust for your sweet ride? You name it, we do it. Located at 41st and Memorial in Tulsa, Lofton Motorsports, Tulsa's most trusted auto repair and service center since 1993.